Hi, I'm Marna, and I am blessed. Darren and I got to travel to see, well, 3 of our 5 sons, all of my sons, and my daughter-in-laws, 2 of my granddaughters, and I am thrilled. Along the way, we did some stopping and shopping, and again, I am blessed. I found this 18-inch doll-size horse. I think it is a Batat. It might be My Life As. Yeah, I don't think it's Batat. At any rate, it comes with the saddle, the full bridle. I do need to pull this forelock forward, but it needs to be cleaned up, but it has the saddle and the saddle pad, all of the pieces, everything's in great shape, just needs cleaning for $5, $4.99 at Savers. I was really tickled to find it. And then we went to several Walmarts, and I found these, and these were the little products, the hair goals were gone. There was a whole end cap, and it had these empty boxes. So I asked the manager if I can have them. Why? Because as I get more of these LOL OMG dolls, it's a great small display that could certainly host 9 of these dolls in a small area, but because of the stairway, you'd be able to see all of their faces, and if they were standing correctly on the risers, you could see their outfit. So I got 5 of these, and I also thought, well, maybe down the road I'll share them or fold them up and put them away. Who knows what I'll do with them. But I got those for free, which was pretty cool. Walmart shoppers, you need to get to Walmart. They finally have some things on clearance for good deals. Barbie dolls galore. All of the Walmarts had a bunch of Barbies. I did not buy any more Barbies. I have so many Barbies and I have to pull back. But I found this cute little outfit on clearance for $1.85. A little high, but Disney. But I'm pretty sure that will fit my midi Blythe. I'm going to try that and see. I also got... I wanted to remind you, this skinny ribbon, they have all kinds of colors, is 47 cents, and I think it's 3 yards. This is fantastic for doll clothes, especially Barbie and Blythe and Rainbow High. Any of your 12-ish inch dolls, but any dolls this works for. It's 47 cents. I promise you they're not going to have it much longer because they're already moving different ribbon in. I'll tell you what though, I paid full price for snaps and hook and eyes, and they are just getting ridiculous in price. But to counter that, I found something unreal. On the end of an end cap, down at the bottom, on a shelf, they had this fabric. It is, I like the print, I love this. I had already bought this, but I put it away and I can't find it. This is a good size print for any doll. This is fantastic. But especially like your 12 to 18 inch dolls, such a perfect print. They had these and they were marked, it's 1 yard by 44 inch. That's a lot of doll clothes. 60 cents. The box said 60 cents. So I picked up a couple and I walked away and I went back and I thought, 60 cents, my oh my. So I went back and got these because I do those craft packets every month, and this is good size stuff. Aren't these cute? This print is a little larger, but would still work for 18-inch dolls, and if you did it just right, those will work for Barbie and your smaller dolls too. So I bought all they had. It was a fun trip. We went hiking with my son, middle son, and his wife. He took his dogs. We of course took our dogs to go visit. We did that. The food was fantastic. Like I said, we got to see all of my sons and all of our daughter-in-laws, 2 of our grandchildren. Fantastic weekend. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and in the comments, please leave what you are finding at Walmart. I know Darla from Darla's Crafts, or D Crafts, found yarn really cheap, and you can see that on her channel. But I know a lot of you are finding great deals. Let us know.